Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going through ArvHTML to PDF converter component which converts the HTML to PDF. So first of all, let me go through the features of this component. So it supports .NET Core and .NET 5.0 apps. It's built upon like WK-HTML to PDF component with additional performance improvement using parallel processing request. Suppose if you are generating PDF for thousands of HTML string, so it will take as a parallel processing and it will generate the PDF with the boosted performance. And also it enables the creating TOC, table of content, while stitching the PDF based on the title of the PDF. Suppose you're generating thousands of PDF or like number of PDF using the HTML string. So what it does is like while creating the PDF, it will generate the table of content and also linking or adding document linking, or what do you say, like deep linking to the particular slide as PPT. And it's also configurable background image for the index page. You can configure the background image for the index page in the PPT. There are many features enabled in this version of ArvHTML to PDF converter. So in the coming version, I'm going to enable few more like font configuration and font size for index page and rest of all those things. So if you want to use this component, you can just go to NuGet and you can download the ArvHTML to PDF converter version of 1.0225. That is the latest and stable version. You can download it. And once you download the application, next step is like how you configure the HTML string. Because if you want to suppose if you are passing like multiple HTML string in the parameter as a parameter, so this component should understand where it should break the page. So in the HTML you have to do small changes. You have to append this style as a new page and page break before always, and also you need to put this title, because whatever the title comes over here, that will be considered for adding text to the index page. And next is like this new page uh, class needs to be added immediate before the div class or whatever the content you want to render. So based on this one, so whenever this converter finds new page, I mean while scanning through this all the HTMLs, this converter look for the new page content or the class, and it will consider, okay, I got this new content and it should move to the next page. So based on that one, it will keep on adding the PDF page to the document and it will append the HTML content. So next we move on to the code snippet, how we can use. So once you add that package, it has two classes. One is PDF generator settings. PDF generator settings is a config file that is nothing but for the setting certain configuration. So here first one is like a config.html content. You can pass HTML string as array, and also table of content heading. So what heading should be displayed on the index page, that also you can configure from here. And also if suppose there are like if you want to group by the slides or PDF pages or PDF content, that also you can set it over here. Suppose if you want to group content based on the locations, so you can pass the location list of locations that will index page will be designed or index page will be created based on the particular grouping. And also this background image, or these are optional parameter, you can pass it out. These also optional parameter, index grouping parameters. And also this background image path or index background image, so this is also optional parameter that you can pass it. Okay, so if you pass this background image, that index page will be appended with the background image. And next comes to the final call for the converting HTML to PDF. So once you have this one, convert to PDF advanced is there, method is there. So you just pass the parameter of like PDF generator settings parameter. So this will return as a byte. So that bytes you can store it in anywhere. That is the output of HTML to PDF converter. So in this way you can utilize ARV HTML to PDF converter, and you can generate HTML to PDF. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.